In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 8, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So first of all, just open the camera app, then tap on Allow all the settings, and here you will notice timer icon right here, mark it, and you can pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. And let me pick, for example, 3 seconds delay now. Click to grab a photo. Wakey. And as you can see, it will be done after 3 seconds. Obviously, we can pick 10 seconds as well. And to turn it off, just make sure that this icon is not active, and then you will be able to grab a photo right after you click. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate camera timer on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.